Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Rotem and I'm doing affiliate marketing for over than 20 years. If it's your first time in the channel, you can click on the subscribe button and you will have a notification whenever I upload a new video. This channel is about how we can do affiliate marketing without showing our face. So if it's your first time, you see that there is the series at the bottom that explaining part after part how we can do affiliate marketing without showing our face. And it's better that you will start from part 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. In order that you will understand what we are doing in the series. It will be more efficient. In the last part, I teach you how you can make videos of infographic. In this video, I will teach you how you can make videos that have slides inside them. Okay, so we will go to canva.com and type Instagram Reel Video template. Like you remember, if we click on the free checkbox, we can filter all the results without the templates, without the paid templates. What I'm looking now is a template of Reel that don't have the sign of a video inside it, but it have a sign of slides when we go over on it. For example, if I go over this template, you see that there is a sign of a slide. It's a little bit difficult to understand which template have slides and which template don't have slides, because if we are looking at the template without going over it, we can't see the sign. For example, this template don't have a slide on it. But for example, if we are going about this template, we see that there are slides on it. Okay, so I will look for a template that it will be our base. I will pick this one, for example. Okay, so you see that we can go over each slide. And what I want to do is to change the content of the slide. For example, I will go to build a role and I will go to research board and download the images that I can use in the slide. So I click on upload the files and upload 3 images that I download for the research at build a role. So now I can go to the first slide and remove the picture that we have, the default one. Okay, so I will click on the first image and I will put it here, then right click on the image and send it to the back. So this will be our first image. This is just an example, but you understand the steps that we are doing. Then we can change the text. I'll just type text here. You see that there is like a symbol and another text. So this will be the first slide. Okay, now I go to the second slide, click on the video and remove the picture, and then I can take another picture that we got already. And again, I will send it to the back. Here we can change the text. Another place to text. And on the third slide, I will click on the image. And again. I will add it. That's all for the example. And now when I play the video, we can see the image. We see a kind of motion or animations. And we see the image that we got from Builder. So this is the first option. Okay, I want to do another one. For example, I will pick this template. And again, we have 3 steps. You see that there is a transition between them. The transition is the moving of the elements on top of them. Another thing that I want to teach you is that we can, for example, in templates like that, you see that there is an area, very strict area, that we can change it. And what we can do is go to search and type frame in the element. And you see that there is frames that we can take, like this one. Because it's a circle, it's very simple to find and use. And now I'm putting, it's like a mask in Photoshop. I can put the frame inside of the circle. And then I can take the picture and if I drag the picture inside the frame, it will look like that. It will be like a mask of the picture. So this is the second option that I wanted to teach you. And now to the last one, we can type in Canva Instagram, Reels, video, and frames. And then also I do a free one. And I can take something like this one. This is like the end frame of our video, and I will do a copy. I will add another slide, right click and paste. And now you see that we borrow the end frame to our video, and of course we can change it. And of course, like I told you before, we can mask the video, the picture that we have inside. Okay, so what I want to do is remove the circle image in the background, and I will use the frame in order to put another picture. So I will click on the image, then I will go to frame, circle, and put it inside the circle, and then I can drag the picture inside of the circle. Okay, that's for now. And in the next part, I will show you how you can use another tool like Canva, but advanced tool that we can use some advanced features like voiceover and more. Thanks.